Well, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today you join me. I know I said I was going to do something a little bit more exotic last week, but forgive me, I'm still in Warrington. So I've actually returned to a location I came to a couple of vlogs ago, and when I was there it was really quite misty, so I thought I'd have a little bit of a go this morning, and just look at that. Yeah, definitely one to work with this morning. So I did the previous vlog around the other side. I was looking at the Bluebell, so I'm going to head over there in a little bit. But I'm going to take full advantage of this mist while we're here, and just sort of photograph some of the trees just as the sun is about to rise, and yeah, see what we can get. So come and join me. This place is absolutely fantastic with all this mist around. It's like a mystical land. It's nothing like this when the mist isn't here. So you really have to get here first thing in the morning, like I am now. As always, these morning vlogs have been a bit of a rush. The further we get into the year, the more of a rush it is. I finish work at 6 o'clock in the morning, and then I've got to rush around to try and get to location before the sunrise. And obviously as the year progresses, the sun rises earlier. It's getting more and more of a challenge. So this is quite possibly the last one I'm going to be able to do, certainly after finishing work. But yeah, hopes are high. Hopefully I'll be able to get something quite decent this morning. I'm going to have a quick check, see if the Bluebells are out. That's my first mission. If that fails, then I'm coming back to the water, back to the lake, and see what I can photograph from here. And obviously with this mist all around the area, it should be quite good. So grab a coffee, sit down, relax, enjoy the vlog. I'll speak to you in a little bit. So for those of you who haven't seen the previous vlog from this location, it's a little bit of a gem, this area. There's a pond to my left, but to the right we've got the M6 motorway, and it's where it meets with the M62. So it's obviously very busy, and today being a Monday morning, it's extremely busy. So I've got the sun rising just over behind me there, and I'm just heading towards where the Bluebell forest is. Hopefully they're actually out. I came a couple of nights ago. I took a couple of images, but they weren't anything special. So I'm going to see what's here this morning. But then, if there's nothing out there, I'm going to head over towards where the lake is and try and take some images of where the mist is, and certainly with the sun coming through it as well. just taking a couple of images there, just of the bluebells, just on the on the ground, which is obviously where the bluebells live. So the bluebells haven't properly bloomed yet. Normally the floor around here is just sort of purpley blue once they start to really ignite. That's not happened today, but I'm quite happy with a couple of shots I've got. So yeah, I'll see what they're like in post. So I said on my previous vlog about this location, about it being a hidden little treasure, and it really is. I mean, to think you've got the M62 that runs that way, and then you've got the M6 that runs behind you guys now. So the sun's rising just behind where you guys are now, and it's casting lovely shadows of the trees against all the green, and then you've got the bluebells in front of you as well. In a couple of weeks, when the bluebells have really bloomed, this place will be fantastic. Wow, it's a little bit quieter down here. It's amazing as soon as you move away from the motorway and these sort of trees protect the sound. Yeah, I can hear myself think a little bit now. So I'm just going to head down to where the mist is now and yeah, try and get a few more shots. I can't believe we're actually mid-April and we've still got frost on the ground. It's a crazy year. So I wasn't going to come out this morning, but I'm so glad I did. It's just another beautiful morning. I had the gear in the car and I'm sort of contemplating whether to actually do a vlog or actually whether to just go out and do some photography, but no, I thought I'd bring you guys along with me and yeah, just sort of experience this the frosty morning as we go along. So I'm just heading a little bit further into the mist now, which is just behind you now. I'm just hoping the sun doesn't burn it out too quickly, that I can set up a composition and yeah, hopefully get some images from this. So as you can probably tell, the further I get into this, the more difficult it is becoming. So yeah, I think I'm on the wrong level. These trees sort of go in rows, and yeah, I've sort of hit a point where I'm starting to get a little bit imprisoned by the trees, but I'll battle on and see where we get to. That's if I haven't taken my eyes out with a branch. Oh gosh. The things we do to get content out for you guys. Hope you appreciate it. So as you can see, the mist has started to disperse behind me now, just over the lake, and it will eventually disappear until possibly tomorrow. So it's probably time to finish the vlog here. It's been a little bit of a crazy one. It's been a bit of a dash around this area, and I don't feel as organised as I should have done. The reason for that is I wasn't really going to do a vlog. I did say on a previous vlog that this was the last time I'll be shooting in Warrington for a while, but I had all the gear in the car, and whilst I was in work last night, I was thinking, should I just go out and do some photography, or should I bring you guys with me and do another vlog? So the decision was to actually bring you guys with us and yeah, do another vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed it. So if you've liked this video and you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you on board of the channel. If you've enjoyed the video, give me the thumbs up, and leave a comment, let me know who you are, where you're from, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So from Warrington, on this crazy little area right by the M62, M6, pond in the middle, there was loads of mist. It's time to say goodbye. Hope you're enjoying your new freedom. Remember, let's keep it all safe out there, and see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye now.